This lesson is on my homemade rocket ship which goes into space. So the first thing we're going to do is our border, which goes all the way around the edge of our page. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do after that is a triangle, but it's going to be on a bit of an angle because I want my rocket ship to be heading out at an angle. Okay, so now I'm going to draw my bits of tin, which I'm imagining I have used to put my rocket ship together. These little dots are my nails, where I'm imagining that I've hammered all my bits and pieces together. Okay, so after that we're going to do 2 lines down, join it together at the bottom, and then I'm going to fill up this space with more bits of different colours, so make sure you choose different colours when you're doing this. I'm going to fill up this space with tin sheets that are held together by nails. I'm going to add the bits where the flames will come out, which will project us into space. I'm going to add some detail by putting some stripes down here, and now I'm ready for my flames. So this shape is basically just like zigzags which come out. I'm going to repeat that shape on the inside with another colour, so I've done red and orange. Here is my little antenna so that I can communicate to people back on Earth. And now I'm going to add some wings, which will probably help the rocket ship be nice and steady when we're out in space. Again, I'll add some more detail. I've changed colours again. I'm just going to put some stripes over here on my wings. Okay, now I'm ready to do my planets. So this is going to be a moon. I'm doing a circle with an extra circle around it that will represent the craters in the moon. Okay, now I'm going to do Saturn. So a hill shape comes first. I'm going to change colour, and then I go out and underneath my hill and back in, and I'm going to do the same shape but lower down, but I actually start at the same point. See if you can have a look closely at that. And then I finish that by doing the other half of the semicircle underneath. Okay, now my sun is coming next. You'll notice that I'm not doing the whole shape on my page. I'm just doing some of it, so you can imagine that the rest of it would be sitting off the page. If you don't have enough room, go behind other objects like I'm doing here with my sun rays behind Saturn. Again, I'm going to repeat that shape on the inside of my sun rays. It's kind of like the a letter V shape really, isn't it? With a bit of a wiggle in it too. Okay, so I'll just finish doing a few more planets. Okay, now I've got a white crayon and I'm actually putting stars in my background. You can't see it right now because it's white crayon on white paper, but once I come to paint you'll be able to see that. Okay, so now I am ready for painting. I'm going to choose lots of different colours for my rocket ship and my planets, but I'm going to save black, which is going to be our black night space sky. Because if I use black in as part of my painting, then you won't be able to, it won't stand out very much. So make sure you choose lots of different bright colours for your objects, and when you come to paint your background, lots of water and lots of paint on your brush, and there are my beautiful stars that I did before. So you'll be able to see them as I paint over them. Make sure you get all of the gaps so that there's no white in the background except for my little stars. It's a little bit magical, isn't it, when they appear? So I'll fast forward this bit. This is the last thing I need to do for my artwork. Beautiful. I love looking at these stars come out at night time. So there we have it. There is my space artwork with my homemade rocket ship.